Welcome to Quick Learning. Today we are going to learn some other examples of mean, median and mode. So we will start with mode. Mode is the most frequently occurring value in a data set. For example, you can see an example of data set where we have different numbers between 45 and 54. We have 47, 49, 51, 56, etc. So you can see the most frequently occurring number here is 47. So we will count the number of times each number is occurring, and the number with most high number of occurrences will be the mode of that data set. Now we will learn the concept of range. What is range? Range is the difference between the largest and the smallest observation. In operational excellence or in Lean Six Sigma, we have different types of data. So whenever we receive some data, we have to determine the range of that particular data set. The data can be in the form of numbers or in the form of like invoices or the readings, lab readings, efficiency numbers, etc. So we have to determine the range of that data set. Just for an example, down in this slide, you can see a data set where we have different numbers starting from 0 till 6. So the range of this data set will be maximum observation, that is 6, minus minimum observation, that is 0. So the range of this data set is 6. Another note that is very important, that with a large data set, we must use display descriptive statistics command, as it can calculate the range directly. So simply we will click on statistics and we can check the range of any data. So now here we are going to have a small exercise to determine the range of a data set. For example, we have the three data sets here. We have to calculate the range of each one. So in the number one data, here we have five elements in this data, and all these fives are lying on number 5. So the minimum observation of this data is 5 and maximum is also 5. So the range of this data set will be 0, because the number is not moving from one number to some other number. In data set 2, we have the minimum number as 1 and the maximum number as 9. So the range of that data set is 8. Similarly, in data set 3, we have minimum 1 and maximum 9. So the range of this data set will be 8. Similarly, if you want to calculate the mean and median of this data, it will be very simple. For the data set 1, the mean will be 1 and the median will also be, mean will be 5 and median will also be 5, because all the data is lying on 0.5. For data set 2, the mean of this data will be the addition of 1, 5, 5, 5 and 9. When we will add this, the answer will be 25 over 5, 5. So that means that the mean of second data set will also be 5. And if we divide it equally on the two sides, the number in the middle becomes 5. So the median of data set 2 will also be 5. For data set 3, if we add these numbers 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 9, it becomes 25 again, and the mean also again comes to be 5. So in this way, you can see that there are different types of data in these examples, and it is in different range segments, but the value of mean is same for all these data sets. So in the next topic, in next video, we will be learning what is the deviation of a data set. We will just learn its definition today, that deviation is the distance between a data point and the mean. So if we have some data, first we have to calculate its mean, then the variation or the distance between any data point, and the mean value is called the deviation of that point from its mean. So this is a very useful definition, and in the coming videos we will be learning how to use this deviation or standard deviation in our different calculations. Thank you.